Guys, we're back, and I don't know what game I'm gonna play, but he right over there made it up. So what game you gonna play, bro?
I'm gonna throw the ball. I'm gonna beat it.
What you say? Hello. Hello. What did you say?
Hello. Give the phone to him.
What? What? Can I get try? Guys, have you ever seen that trick before? Hey, can you mind to lower that thing down a little bit?
Rock and roll.
Have you ever seen that trick before? Hey, come on, they can't see the down. Okay, now
Well, you should come in.
have you ever learned about that trick before? Wait. There was a run. Ah! Okay, guys, I'm gonna show the trick, and then it's gonna be this thing right there. This thing right there. See that, boy? He goes back, and then I do my back. Now he's gonna do something. Let's see if he's doing it now. He's gonna do a rainbow. Oh yeah, I don't know if he's gonna do a rainbow. Oh, you wanna get the fence? Okay, we're gonna try again. Oh gosh. The ball is right. Guys, if you're enjoying the video, just hit that like and subscribe button. We are 0 subscribers. We are 0. And the help of you, I can get more subscribers. So subscribe. Peace.
And that be 200 million subscribers.
Let it be 200 million subscribers. All of you.
Please.
You guys got this. Please, I'm begging you guys. Guys, better subscribe.